How to fix Android call sound not playing on speaker or headset. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if call sound is not playing on the speaker or headset on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The first step is to restart your phone. This is the first step and one of the simplest fix. Simply restart your device, which will help you clear a temporary box that might affect sound routing. So restart your device. After that, you have to check your sound hardware. Open the phone application on your device and then make a call and then tap on the speaker icon if it does not work. Now what you have to do is try to play any of your YouTube video or music and check whether the sound work on speaker or headset there or not. If only calls are silent but the media plays fine, then that may be a phone application or network issue. And the third option is to check for your headset or Bluetooth. So here, you have to unplug your wired headset and disable Bluetooth to ensure that calls are not routed to any inactive device. So here, check for your Bluetooth and make sure that it is turned off. If you want to go to your settings and check for your connected device, head towards your settings, tap on connected device, tap on Bluetooth and make sure that you're not connected to any of your devices. The fourth method is to clean your speaker or your mic and make sure that it is clean. If not, clean with a soft brush or compressed air. If that still does not help you, then you have to check in call volume. During a call, you can use the volume up or down buttons and make sure the call volume is high. This separates you from your media volume. And if that still does not help you, then you can reset your network settings. Open up settings in your device, tap on the system at the menu bar, and under the system tap on reset options, and here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. From here, reset your settings. After this, it will not erase your data but will reset your network configurations, which might help you solve your problem. If this still does not help you, then you can update or reinstall your phone application. Make sure to update your phone or dialer application on your mobile device from the Play Store. But if you're using a custom dialer like a Truecaller, then you have to try to revert the system to default. So in this way, you can fix if the sound is not playing on speaker or headset during the call. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.